Hi, this is Kevin with KKOA. Today we are doing a sponsored product review video on the Lucosobie 30 amp RV surge protector. Everything electronic in your RV has circuit boards, from your inverters, from your refrigerator, to your heating, your air conditioner, to your leveling system. So if you had a power strike or power surge that hit your system without a surge protector, you would have to replace those circuit boards, which could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars to replace those. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take a look at the Lucosobie 30 amp RV surge protector. Some of the features that it has: this is a 30 amp surge protector for 125 volts for 50-60 hertz, and it has surge energy up to 2100 joules. Has an integrated surge protector, diagnostic lights for visual indicator of incorrect wiring faults, and it's also weather resistant. It comes in a really good sturdy box. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Alright, let's take a look. So it has the indicator lights. It tells what the fault light looks like. The lights are going across, so it tells you whether it's connected. You have your Pneumat 30R plug and your 30R receptacle on the end. Pretty kind of flexible cord. It has an anti-theft device. This is really handy because one of the problems that a lot of places have is people will steal these directly off, but this has an anti-theft device, so you can actually lock it up. It has a little chart on the front that'll actually tell what the fault codes are, whether it's got correct wiring, if there's an open ground, reverse polarity, open hot, open neutral, hot ground, reverse. There can be many different problems with the power post that you connected up, so you want to make sure that it has good clean lights before you actually put power to your RV, because otherwise you could cause problems or surge to your RV. On the back of it, it has easy to grip pull handles to where you can disconnect it from your power supply or disconnect it from your power plug. Alright, let's go ahead and put it to use, and let's give her a test. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that power is shut off first before connecting this up. So make sure the circuit breaker is shut off. Okay, so now first we'll plug it in. Now that the power's shut off, and then turn the breaker on. So once you turn the power on, you want to make sure that the lights, you should see the blue indicator light, and there should be two yellow lights. If you see any of the red indicator light or the two yellow lights are not on, then you have a problem. If you look down below, you can see the chart, and you can determine what the issue and what the problem is. So once you have verified that the power is good, all the indicators are good, you then will turn the breaker off and then connect it up to your RV. After all that's done, then just turn the breaker on and you're good to go. Verify once again you got lights are good, which they are. And that's all there is to it. Well, overall I think it is a really good product. I like the anti-theft device that's on top to keep it from getting stolen. The pull handles are really nice and easy to disconnect, and the light indicators show if there's any faults or any problems. Overall, it is a really good product, and if you're interested in purchasing this, the link in the description will be down below. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this product overview from KKOA.